In the whole, the light and the dark exist. In the whole, the good, so-called the good and the bad exist. Because for you to know that this is light, you'll see it in relation to its opposite thereof. Then you'll say it's dark. But there's nothing wrong with its opposite. It's a dance. Life, it's a dance. And you cannot dance if you separate yourself from the whole. You need to embrace the whole. Let me make an example with nature, the sun and the moon, day and night. When it's time for the night to yield to daylight, the sun to rise, it doesn't contest. It doesn't say, the night doesn't say to the sun, hey, no man, I still need a little bit hour to go through. No, it responds. It yields, joyfully yielding, surrendering. Surrendering is the normal cycle of life. The seasons also. We now in autumn, we're moving to winter. There's not going to be a competition. I don't know if anybody has heard of a competition where autumn says, give me another month to go. No, when it's season, you even see with the trees and everything, they yield. So with us, nature exists in its state of wholeness, in a dance. The day and night, then it's a dance. Within us, we have the feminine and the masculine energy. It should be a dance. There's a light and the shadow aspect of our being. It should be a dance. When you are seeking, you should be the seeker and the answer. But what are you seeking? You're seeking the answer through, you can only arrive at the answer if you allow self to experience life and experiment with it without judgments, without expectations, by just allowing thyself to be in the flow.
Yes, that is very profound. And just to add on that, competition for most people, the way we've been programmed, competition translate as means of survival for most people. Where in actuality, there's no survival in the universe. There's no survival in nature. There's nothing in nature that survived. Everything lived and everything um everything is alive in nature for a reason.